I split screen on my Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. In this video I will show you how to split screen on Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Open any app from here. Tap on the Recent Apps button. Tap on the icon above the app preview. Select Open in Split Screen View. The screen of Galaxy Tab S10 Lite is now split. Now select the second app you want to use. The tablet will automatically open both apps in split screen mode. You can adjust the size of each app by dragging the divider between them. You can also switch the position or close one app when you're finished. You can give an app more screen space by dragging the middle divider up, down or left, right. Tap on the Recent Apps button. Tap on the icon above the app preview. Select Open in pop-up view. This is how you can do split screen on Galaxy Tab S10 Lite.